Hi everyone, welcome back to Happy Homesteader. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own homemade chapstick that's not only natural and customizable, but also a great way to save money. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why you'll love this DIY project. Store-bought chapsticks can cost anywhere from $3 to $10, and you often end up paying for packaging and marketing, not quality ingredients. By making your own, you'll spend just a few dollars to make several tubes, and you'll know exactly what's in it. You'll also need a double boiler or a heat-safe bowl, lip balm containers, and a small pipette or dropper. Step 1. Melt the ingredients. Combine the beeswax, shea butter, and coconut oil in your double boiler. Heat gently, stirring occasionally, until everything is completely melted. This should only take a few minutes.
Pro tip: keep the heat low to avoid overheating the oils and losing their benefits.
Step 2. Add optional ingredients. Remove the mixture from heat and let it cool slightly, about 1 to 2 minutes. Then, stir in 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. I'm using peppermint for a refreshing tingle. If you want to add a pop of color, a pinch of mica powder works great. Step 3. Carefully pour the mixture into your lip balm containers using a pipette or small spoon. Work quickly because the mixture will harden as it cools. Let them sit at room temperature for about 1 to 2 hours until fully solidified. Once they're firm, pop on the caps, and you're done. Here's the finished product, your very own homemade chapstick. It's smooth, hydrating, and smells amazing. Plus, you've saved a ton of money. For the price of just one store-bought tube, you can make 5 to 10 at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Happy Homesteader, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more money-saving DIYs. Comment below with your favorite chapstick flavors or any questions you have. See you next time!